Welcome to Safety and the Laboratory Supervisor. What is the mix? Laboratory supervision can be very complicated, and this webinar is designed to provide a basic understanding of their leadership roles as they relate to human performance principles, human organizational performance, legal consideration, pre-accident investigation, and training. This webinar will be recorded, and the recording will be available on CITI program's website. This webinar is for educational purposes only. It is not designed to provide legal advice or legal guidance. You should consult your organization's attorney if you have questions or concerns about the relevant laws and regulations that may be discussed in this webinar. In addition, the views expressed in this webinar are solely those of the presenter. Let me share a little bit about CITI programs. We have been your trusted training partner for 24 years through our peer review, expert-developed content. Today's webinar is an example of our continued commitment to the content that help you further your professional development and investigate topics of interest. My name is Hawkinsbadge. I'm the Assistant Director of Environmental Health and Safety at CITI program. It is my pleasure and passion to share this topic. This presentation will explore intersection of human organization performance, HOP, laboratory supervisors, and the safety professional roles. We will also discuss supervisors' technical legal responsibility in laboratory operation regulatory compliance. Recognizing pre-accident condition is a critical skill for the laboratory supervisor that will be emphasized, allowing supervision to identify and mitigate risks before they escalate into accidents. Furthermore, we will underscore the importance of training as a critical component in maintaining a safe and compliant laboratory, enabling the laboratory supervisors to enhance their team skills and awareness of effectiveness. At the end of this webinar, you, the supervisor, will have a deeper understanding of how integrating these learning objectives into your daily practice can significantly improve your laboratory. Errors are normal. Acknowledging that errors are a natural part of human behavior allows laboratory supervisors to foster an environment where mistakes are reviewed as opportunities for learning and improvement rather than cause for punitive action. Negligent security can also lead to liability. This occurs when the supervisor fails to implement adequate security measures such as access control, surveillance systems, or emergency procedures. Process system and system steps that provoke errors. Identify and mitigate error-prone processes and systems. Supervisors should request the safety department to conduct a job hazard assessment. Best expectation for laboratory supervisors or supervisions: never assume that any laboratory worker, faculty, student, fellow laboratory supervisors, or supporting departments such as maintenance or IT understand your laboratory operations. Make sure to follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and X for news, up-and-coming webinar, and new courses. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for demo snippets on past webinars. Speaking of subscribing, I'd like to also invite you to subscribe to our podcast, On Campus with CITI program, on tech ethics, and on research. Please also consider subscribing to our weekly newsletter. I invite you to review our content offerings regularly as we are continuing adding new courses and webinars in various areas of research, ethics, compliance, and professional development throughout the years. In particular, you may be interested in our Safe Research Environment course, as well as some of our other EHS courses such as radiation safety. And that concludes our webinar. Have a great day.